In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add image using URL in Miro board. To begin, open Miro in your browser and go to the board where you want the image to appear. This can be any existing board in your workspace. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place because the image will be added directly onto this canvas. Next, go to the web page where your image is located and find the Share option. Click Share to open the sharing menu for that image or page. The goal here is to get a link that points to the content you want to bring into Miro. When the sharing panel appears, look for the option that says Click to Copy Link. Select it, and it will copy the link to your clipboard. If you do not see a confirmation message, you can still continue, but make sure you click the Copy Link option so the URL is actually captured. Now return to your Miro board. Click once on an open area of the canvas where you want the image to land. This helps ensure that when you paste, the content appears on the board itself and not inside an active text box or another object. After you have clicked on the board, use the paste action to paste the link you just copied. You can paste using the right-click menu and choosing Paste, or by using your normal paste shortcut, depending on your device. Once you paste, Miro will interpret the URL and place the linked image onto the board. If the image appears larger than you want, you can reposition it by dragging it, and you can resize it by selecting it and adjusting the corners. If it lands slightly off-screen, zoom out briefly, or use the board navigation to locate it, then move it into view. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.